things when you supposed to dey give your security they do. Now you see they arrange chairs. Which exercise they do? Which exercise they do for this one?
Exercise.
No, not be. I know they insult you. Wait.
Insult me.
No, I know insult you. Which exercise they do? They give your security money they do one. I'm not even put this one bring me come. Ghana Lord. That your girlfriend when you carry. What you could do like this? When if you carry and they do like this like portable. If they do like this, they waka.
Okay, Cynthia.
It be like saying now you dey on top of the world.
Yes, Cynthia.
Me I shock you.
Continue.
My landlord carry my guy carry her yesterday as hookup.
Give her a lift.
He carry her yesterday as hookup.
My Cynthia as hookup. This case. Where they worry you?
You know, wait. Now I tell you something.
Come on, wait.
Your landlord wait.
Let me just sit for school.
As you drop her for school, now there for turn back. He just wait as you just say you don't move. Now there for turn back. Now this place is as a you know say if you carry and they do like portable, you can't do like this like say now you dey on top of the world. They waka like say now you be president. My guy carried out there yesterday as hookup. Oga landlord.
My Cynthia.
I dey tell you.
Hookup.
I would lie for you.
I don't believe this one.
You don't go believe. When you see me wait, me I tell you something.
Don't believe this
Calm
one.
down, me I tell you something. When she see me say, even they do like this, they do like say they hide. Now like this that they hide, they do like this. Best when I don't see, they do like this.
Talk.
I just tell her say,
Talk. Whether my wife
waiting. You know if you consign me.
Wait.
I just tell her when I finish. I just tell her say no worry, calm down. As I just tell her say no worry, calm down. I can't come on for free like this thing.
You sure say na Cynthia you see?
Which one be now? Sure say.
I go take believe say you don't be lying.
Wait, me I tell you so.
Yeah.
You know how much they carry am?
How much?
You know how much they carry am?
How much?
£10.
$10,000.
£10, 10,000.
My Cynthia.
See you.
When I drop her for school, when
Oh,
I give 100,000.
Wait, money they do then. As you just turn back, now you
I don't believe you. Now.
wait, they do video now. I do a small video. Me say I still do a small video. No say I get sense.
You sit up video.
Wait now.
Show me the video.
You know how much they carry? £10.
You don't do. Show me the video.
Okay, landlord. See your Cynthia with my guy. 3 of us.
No deal.
See that 3 of us be this one.
No
Okay,
deal.
landlord open man. No fit close.
Funke!
See am.
Funke!
That girl when they carry go be like portable.
Yeah,
You go do like this. They waka like say now you be president. You see am.
My wife must hear this.
No, you don't do mistake. Don't go tell your wife.
Okay, I
You
said
know,
my wife.
you know that mistake. You say your wife must hear this. Don't go mistakenly tell her.
Sorry, I mean her mother must hear this.
You see her? You see her life?
Hey.
So now, even if you dey carry am now, you do like that. You dey carry am.
Now you plan this one.
I'm not planning.